Okay, let's talk. How does a company go from making $100 million in 2018 to making $170 million in 2019 and on track to even beating that record in 2020 even though there's a pandemic going on? There's a few steps you gotta take to make something like this happen. Step 1, you need visionary leaders. Step 2, you need phenomenal products. Step 3, you need a compensation plan that most people can't even comprehend how duplicatable, lucrative, and simple it is to follow. Step 4, you need to pass all the regulatory checkpoints with flying colors to see to it that your company enters critical mass. Guys, my name is Preston, and welcome to Freedom Train TV. I created this challenge just to make sure I do my part in helping people get off of these jobs, which I call an acronym for just over broke. Underneath this video, you're gonna see a link to click or you're gonna see a form to fill out. Either way, get that done. I want you guys to come on in. We're gonna show you our strategy. Mike and Robin are just there eagerly waiting to show you our strategy that we're killing it on the internet right now. Guys, if you believe in you, I believe in you. And I believe you can get this done before 2020 is done, even though there's this pandemic going on. So come on in. I'm waiting for you. We're waiting for you. I'll see you guys on the inside.